What's up guys, Julian Goldie here. In today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to create awesome content using Jarvis.ai. Now, if you're not familiar with this is artificial intelligence. Yes, the future is now, and you can use it to create SEO content that actually ranks on Google and drives more traffic to your website. So if you want more leads, traffic and sales to your website from SEO, then make sure you keep watching. All right, so in this video, we're going to be using two tools for creating content with artificial intelligence, and that's Phrase.io and Jarvis. Now, Phrase.io is good for creating your content outlines, and then you can plug that outline straight into Jarvis, which will automate the content creation. Now, let me show you exactly how that works. Now, in the example of this video, we're going to be using manifestation for money. I mean, who doesn't want more money in their life? So we're going to use this as a keyword. And you can see it's low difficulty, so it's only a 6 out of 100, and it gets quite a decent amount of volume. So this could be a perfect keyword for creating content using AI. Now, what we're going to do is log into Phrase.io just like this, and once that's done, we're going to create a blog outline based on who's already ranking in the SERPs. All right, so now we're logged in. We'll create a new document. We'll create some new content like this. Our search query is manifestation for money, and we're going to create a document like this. Now, I'm just going to skip over all of this waiting stuff and show you exactly what a blog outline looks like once it's created. Okay, so what you're going to do with your content brief is take the structure like this, and we're going to log into Jarvis.ai. So you need an account, obviously, to create the content. You're going to click Start from Scratch. Put in the article headlines like this, and just format it so that these are headers. And what you want is content under each of your headers. So you've got your outline. Jarvis.ai knows what to write about based on these headers. And now it's just a case of creating the content around them, right? So the keyword, like I said before, is manifestation for money. So you need a topic for the actual article, and that's what goes into the keyword section here. And also you can paste that in there. The title, everything you need to know about manifestation for money. And we're just going to call this document Everything You Need to Know About Manifestation for Money. So we shall put this on medium length. So it's about 1,400 words. So we'll actually put this as longer. And then all you're going to do is click compose like this. And as you can see, in a kind of futuristic, crazy way, Jarvis.ai writes all the content for you, okay? And then let's change that to paragraph. And there you have it. You have your content for the introduction right here. And then what you can do is under each section, click compose like that. So you've got your header here. And there you can see the content is written. Now, what I'd recommend is actually editing the content before you publish it. So you can see, for example, this content, this article right here is very long. This paragraph, right? So you want to separate it so it's nice and easy to read. Also, sometimes Jarvis.ai will go off on tangents. And another thing you can do is actually type in a tone of voice. So you might want the tone of voice to be spiritual in the context of this article. If it's about manifestation and money, you could change the tone of voice to spiritual. Now you can also click stuff like explain it to a 5th grader. We'll just wait for that to load. And then click compose once again. And as you can see, in the context of this title, Jarvis.ai starts writing about the mistakes. So the topic, the header here is about, right, I've tried it before, manifestation doesn't work for money. And then underneath, Jarvis.ai writes the content for your article. Now, what's quite interesting is grammatically, this isn't 100% correct. Okay, so like, what's stopping people from manifestation for money? Doesn't quite make sense, right? So there is a lot of editing involved when it comes to creating content from AI. And if you want your content to rank for SEO, then you need to make sure that you're editing the content before you publish it. Otherwise, Google's crawler is just going to go through the page, see that your content isn't that well written, isn't that high quality, and therefore you need to optimize it a bit more if you want to rank. And what you can do is just follow these steps for the rest of the article. And then once you're done, you can simply copy and paste it into your content management system. So if you're using WordPress, for example, you can just go off, create a new page, paste the content in, and it's as simple as that. Now, it really doesn't take a long time to create content. You can see we've got a decent amount of words already in a short amount of time. The biggest problem is that if you don't have a blog outline, first of all, then Jarvis is just going to go off on a tangent and write about random topics. So make sure you optimize it for that. And then also make sure that you've got a decent tone of voice in there, that your keywords are on point, that you've chose the output length properly, and that you have a title. And it's as simple as that now. And you can also see the word count in the top right here. So if you want to hit a word count of 1,400 in this example, then you just keep hitting compose until it's done. As simple as that. So thanks for watching, guys. You now know how to create high quality content using AI and Jarvis AI's tool. Now, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll be really happy to help. And by the way, I do run a link building agency, and we've helped hundreds of clients just like yours to rank their websites higher on Google and get more traffic, leads, and sales. So if you want to do the same, we're actually offering a 30-minute consultation right now. You can find that at juliangoldie.com and book in your 30-minute strategy session that will teach you exactly how to get more links, more SEO traffic, and more sales from your website. So if you want to grow your website, if you want to scale your business, then make sure you're booking a call with us. That's at juliangoldie.com. See you on the other side.